Chathu is bringing the excavator for windscreen repair. Raaman, one of our plantation team members, looks on. It's time to take the measurements. We will have to cut polycarbonate sheet according to these measurements. Chathu was able to cut the sheet without much hassle using a normal angle grinder. We have to remove a strip of the protective sticker so that we can see through the edges and properly align drilling points. Next up, is to prepare the driller with proper drill bit to drill through polycarbonate sheet and the metal frame of the excavator. Drill bit is tightened up, our driller is ready to drill through. We will use revert pins to fix the sheet to the excavator, so we need to set up our revert gun with matching revert pin holder. Raamaa just came to our farmhouse after a long vacation and he is volunteering to help Chathu. Everything is set up, board is properly aligned, it's time to drill. We thought drilling through excavator frame would be hard, well that was way too easy. We will fix the revert pin with a washer to reduce any damage to the board while fixing the revert pin. First corner is done, now it's time to repeat the process. We fixed 4 reverts to both horizontal frame lines and 6 reverts to vertical frame lines. Chathu and Raamaa continues their work, people are joining in to have a chatter. We have completed our job, let's remove stickers and see how it looks. Chathu says it's better than he thought. Well, that's it for today. If you like to see how we overcome day-to-day challenges in our spice garden and how our farming life unrolls in this beautiful hilly surroundings, subscribe to our channel and share with others. See you soon with another farm life video.